still true coverage here. We're just checking out the damage from last night. Oh my God.
The Builders Spring Home Show Vintage returns to the STL Athletic Center March 15th and 16th.
Oh, I saw that on Facebook.
Wow.
I was wondering where that was.
That is destroyed. My God, that is destroyed. Oh, the gas pump. Look at the gas pump. Point that out. You didn't show much of it. You can move the camera up closer. Wow.
We got you, they said. And they did. Fast, friendly, and stress-free.
Trees are down. That's why that telephone poles are down over the road.
Stay in the game. Take it to Telly.
Trees are down and everything.
What if your business could see beyond what is?
Wow.
And into what can be?
Flooded over
What if
here.
you could create more
Oh my
impact
God.
in every decision? What if you had a
Part of a
partner
roof.
as visionary as you are?
Over here.
With Bank of America, you get access to our trusted experts, real-time insights, and digital tools.
Oh, shit.
So whether you
My
run a local
God.
shop or a global enterprise,
that house
you're
over
led
there.
by business solutions to make every move matter. What would you like the power to do? Find out how at bankofamerica.com/banking for business. Bank of America is proud to be the official bank sponsor of FIFA
Lord.
World Cup 2026.
Trees everywhere.
I hear Staples prints it all for any business.
You bet. And we'll beat any print quote.
So if I had a pizza place,
Staples can print signs,
I may
menus,
try.
pizza boxes.
I would.
landscaping
My
business?
friends can record and drive at the same time.
T-shirts, brochures.
How about a pizza / landscaping
If I- if
business?
the-
Call it
I'll get in
Pro
trouble.
and Mo.
I like it.
Right now at Staples, get up to $250 off your print purchase. In-store 5 exclusions apply. Visit staples.com/print for offer details. Price match guarantee valid at store and staples.com.
So they all came right through here.
/price match for details.
The KC95 studio is powered by
Yeah, you point the camera over there at the cops on.
Standard heating and air conditioning dealer.
My God, telephone poles are down over the road.
Call Under Law at
Power lines and trees everywhere are down.
314-940 or go to underwinds.com.
Go up Starling Airport Road, up that way, and check for any damage up
The
there.
50th anniversary tour.
Go out to the train, go by the train tracks, see if there's any damage around there.
October 25th, it's Little River Band, and we've got your chance at free tickets on the KC app or KC95.com.
Wow, a lot of damage. This is worse than I expected.